Talk to me about, you said you dialed in. How much do you appreciate the fitting portion of it? There's a lot of schools out there that you're going to go, Matt, and they're going to be store-bought coupons. Everything you weld on is polished, pretty, and ready. Cut 37.5 degrees ready for you, cut 30 degrees ready for you. Now you had to cut, prep, grind all your own coupons. Do you feel like that held you back?
I thought it was going to hold me back, but it turned out to be kind of a blessing in disguise, because now, as I was paying attention to everything I was doing, I was picking up a trick here, a thing there that could help it go faster, better, and get a good fit up, and I can do it on my own. I don't have to worry about getting out of the field and, I don't know how to prep pipe, I need somebody's help. Hey,
Right.
on a job site, hey boss man, I don't know what I'm doing. Help me here. I can do it myself, and I can do it perfect every time.
Yeah, there's some jobs you're gonna get a helper, some jobs you're gonna get a fitter, and some jobs absolutely not. It's all you. We've got a couple guys in some double time work that essentially it's all them. They're a one-stop shop, and they always appreciate the fact that they come out of here knowing how to fit, prep, bevel, and get their own stuff ready.